listen, it's not even that bad. I'd already seen it.
What the fuck? It looks like a fucking girl's car. It looks like a fucking lipstick. Fuck! Shit!
It's not actually there.
Fuck! 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 It's actually on there.
Yeah.
Shit! Fuck! He's all the way in Louisiana! The deep fucking south! Shit! Fuck!
It's not on the inside.
Shit! Dude, my dad's gonna think I'm fucking gay now! I mean, he already thinks it!
He's not gonna think you're gay because
He's gonna think you're gay too! People already think you're gay with me! And fucking sucking on your corn cob and shit! Ah! No fucking sound system! You just been in pain! God! Fucking shut the fuck up! Stop following me! No!
alright.
It looks like shit!
So what are you doing here? I mean, you're just out here for a while, so we gotta make sure you're alright. So why are you filling up the hole?
Jeffrey fucking painted my car pink and I'm gonna get back in here.
Well, I mean, yeah, I saw that, but what's this gonna do? He's not even here. It's not like we can push him in it again or anything.
I really don't care. Are you on my side or you on his?
Oh yeah, I'm on your side.
Do this shit?
No, I was working with you the whole time. Alright, chill. How would I have helped him do it? I was with you like literally all week.
Maybe that was a cover. Maybe you were distracting me. I don't fucking know.
Distracting you is your idea to build the room.
Question me, dude? I told you not to fucking follow me. I'm doing my own thing here. Are you gonna have my back or not?
Yeah. I just, what's the point of this? I mean, even if you fill it for him to come back.
Get Mark here.
Just for what?
Get Mark here, dude.
Alright. Let me just text him.
Get Mark here!
Alright, calm down. Alright, I mean, I texted him, I don't know if he's gonna respond right away. The shit. I don't know if I would stay here if I was you. Like, seriously, Jesse was like losing his shit earlier.
About what?
Well, I mean, did you see how like J.K. painted his car pink?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's what I said. I was like, I know. Oh.
Hey, how's it going? Alright, I heard my name mentioned. I'm not alright. You really want to ask me that? Did you see the fucking car in the driveway? It's fucking vagina pink! Different doors and fucking... Nice to shut up finally. I don't want to fucking freak you out, but... This ass, he hasn't helped me. Corn hasn't helped me once. He's been filming me fucking filling up the hole. I just need help. You help me? You help me? That's all I'm asking. Fill up the hole. As enough. This is what I was fucking afraid of. I just need someone to have my back! That needs to go. I need you guys to move the motorcycle.
Wait, why?
Where? I know, I asked you guys, I know we helped with the room, but we need this out. We need this fucking out! Where? to the fucking hole! Look, you don't have to agree with this, just hook me up here, have my back. I don't know if Corn's gonna have my back here, but I know you're strong enough to move this shit. I just need this pushed into the hole. I just need to push it in the hole. You deserve this!
You asked me to put the motor.
Are you gonna help me or not?
I need you to chill the freak out right
Mark,
now.
come on. You know how I can get sometimes. Just fucking do this for me.
You're asking me to put your brother.
You want me to do it? I have fucking ailments. I would do it myself.
Move it. Corn. Here, stop. Here.
No, I'm good. I'm good, dude. I got the camera. You're gonna help now? You wanna redeem yourself? Move whatever you gotta move. Get this shit out of here.
Don't touch anything. You're good.
Dude, you don't even have to be careful with it. Just grab the fucking bike. He doesn't even care about it. He doesn't care. Here, you need me to... Here. You guys are fucking dilly-dallying. Come on. Fucking palm tree. There you go. Come on. Jesus Christ. Are you guys gonna move it or not? You got the wheels facing this way, for Christ's sake. Come on, I know you're fucking stronger than that. Jesus, for fuck's sake. Move it! Jesus fucking Christ. Just turn it and let's go! Come on, guys. Are you purposely trying to drag your feet right now? Here, I'll open up the door wider for you guys. There you go. Come on. I'll direct you. Come on. I don't know if you can squeeze. Let's go. Roll it around. Can you operate the wheel now? What was that? If you guys have any problems, I can get Buzz here too. He would help do this. Because he's seen the shit Jeffrey did to me. Good, keep the momentum going. We're going right into that fucking hole. I said we're going right into the hole. I told you this. Oh, this asshole. He's got a lot of nerve, you know? He fucking paints the car pink and then skips town. You guys don't understand what it's like to have a brother. He's a fucking prick. Alright, I'm gonna move this door. We're gonna fucking... Ow, fuck! Somebody needs to move this door. Hold on. Move this door! Hold it. Hold it. Come move the door, Corn. This is your redemption right now, dude. Get this shit out of the way. And then we're going in. We're dropping this shit in there. Come on! Jesus, fuck. Are you good, dude? You're starting to give me some weird vibes. What?
We're pushing a motorcycle into
Yes.
a pool of water.
Yeah, so it can be fucking ruined because he ruined my car!
Your car can be repainted.
Yeah, that's
He made it pink. It looked,
That's not the point!
it looked like crap before anyone.
Jesus fucking Christ, you've already dragged it this far. He's been wondering why it's out here. I can get it repainted, yeah, but he's making me look like a fucking pussy! What do you have to say to that? Thank you. Just fucking get it in. Just drop it. Corn, help him. Get it in there. Just push it in there. Let's be done with this shit. Come on. Come on!
You need to relax.
I'll relax when it's in the fucking hole. Get it in there, guys. Get the fuck in there. Just drop it. Don't even care. Where are you going? Jesus, you guys couldn't even fucking get it in all the way. Ow.
You're carrying a camera and we're pushing like a 500-pound bike.
Kick it in there.
It's in there.
Kick it in there. I want that shit drenched. I don't want him to be able to get it out. Good, the mirror's broke. Good. There you go, you're strong. It's like a deadlift.
It's in. It's in the hole.
Whatever. Dude, guys, come on.
What do you want? I don't even have a shoe.
Well. Jeffrey, I hope you watch this and see. I'm sick of you trying to fucking take advantage of me, man. This is what you'll get. Enjoy your motorcycle, dude. I just gave it a bath. Apparently when water gets in the engine, it's ruined, so hope you got an extra $6 grand to pay. Fucking don't fuck with me!